friends, this is Dr. Abdel. I am Chimthanawala. Today I would like to share one of a very interesting case from my clinic. First I'll narrate the symptom, what the symptom the patient was trying to tell me, and then we'll try to interpret in rubric form, and then let's see what did I prescribe. This was a lady who came to me and she said that, sir, I am feeling very much sad. There's a lot of sadness. I don't like to talk. I don't like to mix with people. I feel very low the whole day. I just keep on thinking how to get out of the situation. Though I've tried a lot of medicine, but the sadness does not go. So I told her, can you describe your sadness? And she said, sir, I feel that I could have done a lot of things for my parents, my in-laws. I could have helped them like giving good food, cooking healthy food, taking care of them, talking to them so that they feel relaxed and happy. I could have done a lot of things for my husband, helping him in his daily work, or working with him so that the family burden is taken care of. I could have done a lot of things for my children. I could have helped them to get better marks in whatever they are doing in the school and all. And I feel very sad, but because I have not been able to do what I could have done, what is in my capacity to do. And she was telling that I could have done a lot of things for my parents also, because after I got married, they are not so happy. They have a financial problem. I would have helped them also, but I feel that I could have done more. This was whatever she was telling. I said, okay, what happened next? And she said that, and then I feel very restless, and I just want to sit down and just sit down and sit down. So I felt, anything else you want to share? Whether you sit down or you become restless or you lie down, what do you do? Because I just sit down. I can't lie down also. I said, why? Because whenever I lie down, I feel shortness of breath. I feel tightness in the chest. I feel perspiration. Sometimes I get stomach upset if I lie down. Sometimes I get a lot of palpitation also. And I feel some uneasiness in my chest, because I always feel that I have not done enough. Because I am a person, I could have done a lot of things for my family. And so here we get a case where a very interesting story the patient has narrated. Let's focus on this story, and then let's try to interpret what the patient was trying to tell us. Now she was going on and on, whatever she could have done in the family, for the parents, for the in-laws, for the husband, for the children, and she was going on and on. The whole crux was that she was feeling sad that she could not do more, and because of this she always wanted to sit down and lie down, and she could not lie down because she felt a lot of anxiety, a lot of palpitation and shortness of breath and tightness in the chest, sweating, sometimes stomach upset. So here we get a case where how to prescribe and what to prescribe, how to convert this, whatever the patient is telling, in rubric form. Now let's understand what the patient is trying to tell us. First and foremost, there is sadness. And can you define this sadness? Her sadness is revolving around only her family and only the affairs in the home which she could not do, or which she would have done more. So I immediately sent her out and called her husband. Okay, exactly what is the situation? Is the situation matching what the patient is trying to tell us? So her husband told me, okay, sir, she does everything. She take care of my parents, she take care of me, she take care of the children, she cooks good food, healthy food, she talks to my parents and makes them relax, she takes up the studies of her children, she take care of her parents, everything. But she feels that she is not doing properly. So we have the whole contrast situation where the husband is very happy, her in-laws are very happy, the children are very happy, but the patient feels sad that she would have done more. Now what exactly would you interpret with this case? So we have to first treat that sadness, and can you define the sadness? She is sad basically because of domestic affairs. Means she feels that she could have done a lot for the family from domestic affairs. So the first rubric which I took was sadness over domestic affairs. Though everybody was happy, but she was not happy. That means she is discontented with herself. The second rubric, the second symptom is she is discontented with herself or with himself. The third part, if you see in this case, is she has, because of this, she has sit inclination too. She wants to just sit because she feels that she has not done anything. So the third symptom that we take it, sits inclination too. As we go further deep in the case, remember she was telling that she cannot lie down because she has palpitation and anxiety and tightness in the chest and all. So this basically is a symptom where you take anxiety in the chest, in the region of the heart, on lying down. And to add to this anxiety with palpitation she has. So this was a case in front of us, and then everything, because of this, the patient feels restless, that she is not able to do anything, which makes her very weak. That's why she always wants to sit. So this, we have a case in front of us. The whole story gives rise to lot of symptoms which we have to rubricate and then see what the remedy comes. So we have symptoms like sadness over domestic affairs, discontented with herself, sit inclinations too, anxiety in the chest, in the region of the heart while lying down, anxiety palpitation with, restlessness with weakness. And my friends, when you repetize this case, a very, very interesting remedy that comes is Viola tricolor. Yes, Viola tricolor, a very infrequently used remedy that comes in our prescription. And if you read Viola tricolor in detail, everything which the patient is trying to tell us is there in the remedy. And then I prescribed her Viola tricolor 1 ml, 2 doses at an interval of 15 days. When the patient came after a month, watch what the patient is trying to tell. Okay, sir, now I feel very happy that I am able to do lot of things for my family. I cook good food. I am able to help my husband in his work. I am able to take up whatever studies the children are doing, so they're getting good marks, and my in-laws also very happy that I am taking a lot of care about themselves. See how homeopathy remedy works, and it's all in the mind. How the mind changes. The situation is same, but now the patient feels relaxed and happy in the same situation where she was feeling very much sad. This is how the remedy works, from sadness to happiness. It has made the patient realize that whatever she is doing fantastically in whatever she is doing, and that is how cure takes place. It starts in the mind, and the patient was happy, contented with herself, that she is able to do everything what a wife should do, what a mother should do, and what a daughter-in-law should do. This is how Viola tricolor worked, and I learned a very important remedy with this. To add few symptoms of Viola tricolor which are not related to the case, but I have an important symptom to tell you, that is, in Viola tricolor the hairs are thick. Viola tricolor patients have thick hairs. Now you must remember remedies which are having thick hairs in general, that is Graphitis, ammonium carb, Lycopodium and Ustilago. Ustilago, if you see the Mater Medica, it is written in that the thick hairs remedy. the hairs are very thick. Ustilago, ammonium carp, lycopodium and graphitis. One more symptom which I would like to add in alveolar tricolor is eruptions on the face, but they are painful in the night. The patient will come and tell you, Doctor Sahab, चेहरे पे pimples बहुत है. I have got a lot of pimples, but these pimples pain especially at night, and this makes alveolar tricolor an important remedy, because in the whole Mater Medica there is only one drug where the pimples on the face are painful only at night. And I had a case where the patient had eruption boils all over the body, and whenever you have these symptoms, you always think about drugs which gives us maximum results, like sulfur or silicia or Hiparsulf, Myristica. These are drugs used in and out. But if you see alveolar tricolor on Mater Medica, it is written eruption boils all over the body, and in that case also, when these remedies fail, I tried this, a very rare drug, and that gave me a fantastic results. So apart from the case which I told you, you must remember these 2-3 symptoms of alveolar tricolor, and those are hair affections, generals thick, eruptions all over the body, and last symptom you must remember is eruptions on face, painful in the night. So my friends, this is alveolar tricolor. Go home and read this drug. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.